Hi, kitty. What are you doing under there? Huh? Hi. Guess what? We're gonna measure the table. Yeah? You don't care, huh? You're just so comfortable. You love it. Yeah, silly kitty. Well, here's my old plastic table. This thing is 30 years old or better, and you can see it's all stained. You know, I just gave it a kind of a scrub down, and that's about as good as it gets. It's broken here in the center. I had this collar that I made out of wood years ago, and it needs to be replaced. I can make a new one of those. It's damaged here too. You know, this was from a windstorm a number of years ago where the thing got blown all the way across the yard, and it's still sturdy, it's still holding together. But, you know, a new table, it would cost me a few $100s to get a decent table, and I don't want to do that. So we're going to make this one look better. I'm going to cover the table with oilcloth. Modern oilcloth is a PVC impregnated fabric that is durable and easy to wipe clean. It's relatively inexpensive and available in a host of fun colors and patterns from fabric stores and some hardware outlets. My table measures 35.5 inches wide by 59 inches long. The oilcloth is 48 inches wide, and I bought a 72-inch long piece. With a compass, I checked the radius of the ends of the table and found it wasn't circular. It's an oval. How do I cut this oval to match the curve of the table? The oilcloth, being 48 inches wide, when centered on the table, leaves a 6 1/4 inch skirt hanging over the sides. So I made a 6 1/4 inch marking gauge from scrap wood. I turned the cloth over so the marking would be easy to see. Then, with my 6 1/4 inch marking gauge, I first aligned the sides and then marked the curve at each corner. The center hole was easy to mark from below. Oilcloth cuts easily with sharp scissors, and there's no need to hem or bind the edges. I cut the center hole slightly smaller, then snipped small darts so that I could tuck the fabric into the table's hole. Out of a small piece of redwood, I machined a new collar to hold the umbrella. I applied a couple coats of sealer to the collar. And that's it. A simple way to dress up an old patio table.